our government, the people who are supposed to protect us, they mute, they quiet, they not fit talk, they don't know what to do. I can't look and say, if you can't look this Hausa people who they talk, Fulani Hausa, where will they grow? Fulani, we know say yes, that something that they pick, they go for streets. Or then they lead cow, the Hausa people, they lead cow, they enter street to street, they come feed their cow. Why the Fulani that they look for pikin where they want thief, they go do one charm. We they call them bomo in Edo language. The people who dey my level go understand what they talk so. Now so it be those days. So now, if we want generalize this issue where they grant now, everybody go here say Fulani, Hausa people, Fulani, Hausa people. True word. Why good heart cannot be left out? Because you can get it perfect through this platform, the way it's supposed to be. I want you to help me to share this video to the right anywhere, any where it's supposed to hear them. So when this kind of issue come up, as it just they come up, hey, Fulani don't kidnap, hey, Fulani they don't kidnap, Fulani they shoot, Fulani they do this. Now, like this Sunday for the Yoruba area now, where the guy now he just dey, now he be the hero right now for there, now for Yoruba land. Come go check other issues where they grant, where they happens, all this while, all these years. Now they come see and say, they don't notice and say, now these people, now this, me we call her now this pikin, whether they call Fulani, now it be the problems. Inside this all Fulani, there are still Fulanis way good. Now, for the people now to not come generate or come generalize or to come the whole all the Fulani or come the whole one person, it's our time in every state, every local government, every state. Now time for everybody now. If now your state, it's time for the people that lives in that state now, because now individuals, now be the government. Because if you depend on the people who you see as governors or representative, you just they waste your time. Because if you see the way where those people take the enter government or take the enter power, in a true ritualist or in true paddy, so those people, some of them, they are not even qualified to be there. So these people, they don't belong to one entity. They don't be one. They in short, they feel do more than the other, the way the organic them do, because the ritualists them be. So waiting they don't decide neither they do. So now it's now depend on individuals. Now each state now they pass this message to every youth, papa, mama, make everybody now focus on this pikin papa, where then they call Fulani, all their family, both the good ones. It's our time we focus on them each state. Begin chase all of them. The only way they cannot be chased, make them by themselves. Because if thief they my family now, there is no way I not gonna know who be the thief among the 30 or 50 children where my papa go or mama go get, or where they that family. We must know the thief. We all know the thief. So inside there now, when we see the kind problems, where they say the area they give, the neighbors, they give us, you as a family, you will not quickly think twice to say, this pikin, I tell you, say, you don't go there, bring problem come. The only thing I go fit do now, or either I take you come on for this state, or I present you to the people so that maybe they know say now you will not get hand for this kind of thing where they happen. So now time for now to prepare anything where concern whether they call Hausa or Yoruba, so that make them bring the bad eggs where they inside them. Come and make everybody know, say, yes, these Fulani people, this one be these ones will be there with the demons where like to suck. Because as at the time you carry wahala, go they give that man where you don't know for your area, where be Fulani man, where be say the man even marry Benin person or Yoruba person or Igbo person. And this man don't already, they speak, though they speak Igbo, they speak Yoruba. And this man, they good. Una know I say they good, they do business, una don't they interrupt. Una they even share food. Time of Muslim, whether they do anything they want to do, their Christmas and their whatever they are doing. Una they even share food together. then they bring food come for you, and you know say this person good, that it be not good, if for not bring food, if for poison and come they give you. Now, since the demons don't enter inside them, now time to hold all these good people now. If you don't want this pepper to hurt you or to disturb you, I want you to show us that stranger wey enter inside una midst, where they can't disturb our state, where they can't rape our mothers, where they can't rape our children, where they can't destroy our farm produce, where you don't want our parents to they go farm or to they go market. Now time, because now to pepper their parents. Who be their parents? Now be the people where be say you first know before. You have to turn bad eyes to them so that they go understand. And you go only let them know. This way will they do to you so. We are not doing it to you because we hate you. But we are doing it to you. We know say bad egg. You don't allow them enter inside your midst. Because if you not bring them out, that thing where police they do person will be say, where they look for the real criminal, they not see them. They go begin chase all the family. Now hard time, why I say police keep mute, soldier keep mute, because now what they're supposed to do be this. They know the people where be say they constitute nuisance. Now hard time for them now to focus on these same people, to their parents, to their people, so that if they not bring them out, if they themselves, where them be go the chop or they sell for market, they not config go. Now not be best go tell them say, go show us where all these people did. It be like you go here and say for Sambisa now, so Sambisa. I ask one question, say, Boko Haram, they not the chop food. Boko Haram, they not the con drink water, they not the con, they not where they come for the buy medicine, where they for the buy the things. Not be the same market where you, even the police, all of them, be the same roadblock where police mark or soldier mark. Not be that they pass. So all these people they pass there. And people who know them. But because of say you allow their parents now to live inside AC comfortably. Now their parents go even see their pikin where they do the thing. Now they go even show and say pass here, come out again. But as I return, you hold their parents accountable. Not be God, not be person go tell their parents now say bring all these people away, these bad eggs, these demons. These people decide say now kidnapping go be their business. Now to they kill, now it go be their business. You go fetch them out because you not feel say you be Muslim. You go they say Allah wa Akbar, you go they kill human being. Such a person is a demon. You not feel say you be Christian, you go they shout in the name of Jesus. You go they kill person. That person is a demon. Such a people need to be fished out so that make the public do the needful. Do the needful. According to the scripture and the Quran, it says anybody will keep by sword, go die by sword. So these old people has to be identified by every state. Now, you know the Fulanis, you know those people that who are aiding all these people. Anything Fulani or Hausa, it's time to focus on these people. Tell them, say they have to leave. The moment they don't want to leave, give us the bad people. If we not give us, we want you people now to fetch out or drive those bad people away from this state so that make our people get peace. Because we not feed their state. Then go where they want kill now, they look and say na Hausa or na Fulani person, they don't want kill those ones. But the way they say na Igbo or na Edo or na Yoruba, they go want kill those ones. So you people cannot be here when you know say you are here in my state to come and do business. What we supposed to do according to the constitution of Nigeria, the laws. Say yes, we're supposed to do inter business or inter one thing together. At the end, you people will be here. Only your mission is to assist your own demons to come to kill our people. So it doesn't make sense. So the fire is supposed to hurt their parents. Who be their parents? The same people will be say be Fulani for every of your state. And I want to warn this man because they say who deserve. We like to respect an elderly people. The one he be say by good heart is to Olusegun Obasanjo. Olusegun Obasanjo not supposed to be the person who go to talk again concerning anything concern Nigeria. Concern Yoruba, not supposed to be. Because all these people put together to Jonathan and all of them, they know everything where they happen. They know what it go happen. And these people, they know before now, all of them did the same cultists. They did the same ritualists. They did the same group. They are very happy because you can see in the process of war happening, you see our soldiers that they feed fat. Then they build houses. Then they buy houses for Dubai. Then they buy houses for different countries. Then they make money because a lot of allowances money are going for ammunition of security votes. So they are making money from this crisis. Such a people can never want anything called crisis to end in Nigeria, or for Boko Haram to end in Nigeria. When it comes to the issue of the Igbos, the small, there's some few soldiers where now the Kanu arranged together. When it comes to that, you can see the force, Buratai and the rest of them, general, they are putting together to make sure say they go end all those army. All this why where Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen they gather for inside the same bush, and these people not fit carry all the money we will pay take buy helicopter, take buy the drum, take buy these things. They not fit use them, take send those drum. Then here say person kidnap for here this street, this road now. Waiting on those helicopter they do, not be to quickly trace where they enter. I be if they kidnap people that they pack, that they change to sand or change to breeze. So helicopter are supposed to quickly locate where those things happen. But those people they leave the helicopter, the ones they hear say kidnapper, they know they go check out, they know they do nothing. Helicopter get camera, it go film from how many miles from up, look and see things where they happen for ground. But our soldiers keep mute because they are making money. People like them Olusegun Obasanjo, they go come they tell Luna, tell Nigeria, tell Yoruba people. See, 4th of President Buhari, 4th of this, 4th of that. Olusegun wey sell Bakassi, wey sell Nigeria, give Cameroonians. Olusegun wey do constitute a lot of nuisance in Nigeria, wey put Nigeria into waiting in the mess where we did now. Such a people don't supposed to come out in any station to come they advise the youth, 21st century Nigeria's youth bodies. Say see the way forward. It does not make sense, my people. If anybody they listen to such a man and church, I beg, find Kotiwute, remove those words where enter you because it does not make sense anymore. He has double opportunity from prison to become president, to feast Nigeria, to make Nigeria become what it's supposed to be. He not do, he not care because after all, he's feeding fat in whatever that he's doing. I take up beg every man and woman. It's our time. Let us do the needful. I don't want to, there's a lot of informations. The only thing I go feed do, I'll just only send the people for the platform. For me to come to talk about, say, see what he happened for Edo State recently now. See what he happened for the other side recently. See what he happened for the other side. All of them, they media. So I don't want to start to be looking for a way. See how they put fire for this one, all of the day media. It does not make sense. I take up Beguna. We they get the first once the news come, we they get all of them. But to come they begin talk every day by day. They say when you use 30 minutes, begin complain. Use the other 30 minutes to pave solutions or what to do next. So I'm using this opportunity now to give out on what to do next. Let the war be, let the action be against everything called Fulani in your state. Being good or bad before. Let the action be against them. You are not killing them, telling them to leave. The only way you cannot leave, give us those demons where they una midst. That is what we need in every state. Give us the demon who enter in our midst, because there is no way as an Hausa man or Fulani man that will go to bush to rear their fowl, their cattle, that he will not know who be the bad Fulani inside their midst. That he will not know, say, yes, this person now enter this house, now enter this area, now make everything come turn upside down. They know. So the only thing they know how to defend for themselves. They know how to cover up for themselves. But for the only way they can stay in your state, they should give the state people, the youth, give us all the demons family you have in your midst. That is what we need, because these people, they have taken lives, so they're supposed to go for it also. That is the only way they can stay in every state that is in Nigeria. Anywhere in South they want to stay. That is the only way they can stay there. Without that, when me or president or government, they are taking actions against their own citizens, it doesn't make sense. You can't try this. If our people in the South do like this, what they are doing here in the South, in the North, I think hell will lose. We all know what would have happened, because in a moment, war is what they are trying to create. Enable the Fulani to take advantage of the land so that they can now own the land for themselves. If you look at Nigeria constitution or whatever we are doing in Nigeria, they own the best position in Nigeria. In the best offices, they own the best. So the best thing for us now, for your state, tell them to go. Because in the real sense, God bless each state different ways. There are states that are producing yam. There are states that are producing groundnut. There are states that are producing groundnut oil. There are states that are producing rice, meat, name it all. All these states get different things where God to bless everybody. Cocoa and all. Anything you can ever imagine or think about. Every state they produce. Make everybody go in your state. Go they produce what you get for your state. Then other states go come they buy for your state. Now so we take grow come meet them. Where peace stay there. This one way that they can't change now. They can't enter this side. They can't enter this side. You did not enter this side now to come stay in peace. You are coming to state, people's state, and to come and be a nuisance, even a blood sucker. It does not make sense. So let them go back to their place, to their state. Let them go and be farming. That is what God bless them with. Because I always talk these things. Sometimes we see our destiny, where our destiny is, we run away from it. Where we supposed to have peace, we run away from it. We they go look for money from where we not they work. We they go another place where the thing not there. So it doesn't make sense. So let all of the evil, let everybody stay in the state. This one where some people they say, yes, since it don't already happen, say all these things. In life, if people did not understand, in life, all we only need now just peace. And the peace is just temporary. There is no way you go last more than 100 years where you not go die. So why creating all this problem? Why are we deceiving us? Why are we confusing ourselves? Why are we looking for what cannot even give us peace? No matter how you try to change state or go any other place, they think say now there, now the greener pasture there, or now the other side, now your destiny is there. Sometimes we do all these things, at the end we make mistake. Create problems. Sometimes you see accident on the way. Sometimes you see things that are not supposed to happen or happening there because of say you go away from where you belong to in search of greener pasture in the wrong place, which does not make sense. So since it don't be like this, it's very simple. Let these people go back to their place. Let everybody go back to his or her place. Maintain your place. It's like you now saying how you can't carry police wey not know your land, wey not know your place. Now you go come be your police commissioner for a state where you don't even know where about, where you don't even know it happen. You don't even have the words called the communication to communicate when things happen. You cannot communicate with our old women, our parents, or people who don't speak English. So such a thing, you see how this is confusion everywhere. Now just confusion. They put confusion everywhere. Hey, I salute you. I salute you. Confusion. They just create confusion everywhere, and that confusion now is what we are all facing, which is our time for us to rectify these things. Put fire. When I say put fire, not say go put fire, refire, foe. No, put fire on every Fulani. Both that one where you first say good and all. The only way you can stay in my state, bring out all the bad eggs inside Una. Let us give them the punishment we suit them. Even Quran. If you commit sin, you're supposed to go in for it. Now, so Quran talk. Since all these ones they don't pass Quran, they don't be demon. These are the devil we are talking about. So they need to fetch them out so that everybody can have peace. We are supposed to stay together. I'm not against maybe this one stay together, the other one not stay together. But the only way to fetch out or to know, to see the truth, is for fire to burn the house, so that house will bring out the bad egg in their midst for peace to reign. Because in Hausa, in Fulani, we have people that have good heart, even more than Edo, or more than Yoruba, more than Igbo. Good way, when you say perfect heart, good everything, perfect, then they. Since this small, this way not reach anything where they can't create problem, till they rob everybody. They say no matter how water plenty rich, if you put one spoon, teaspoon of kerosene, put inside big water, the whole water will begin taste like kerosene. Go just spoil them. Since now so it be now, so it's hard time. Let you will be say as answer man. You don't already, you know who enter on a mist. who join una for market, who join una for inside bush, they go red cow. Wey be say they carry AK-47, they waka, say they protect cow, drop cow. Wetin I share just now, they drop cow for inside bush. Come out from the bush, leave the cow for there, come out with AK-47, face road, begin kidnap people. But when you see them, say that they carry cow, they go for street, you say na only cow. Now they red they go, they just na cow that they escort they go. Not knowing say why they feed fat, you go see them. They go hold how many million inside that bush. You go still see what they go wear. You yourself go still dey pity for your say they don't get money. Not knowing say now then they can't task people say the ransom to pay for kidnap, the person they kidnap, you go hear 50 million, 100 million. And if you ask them now, make they count, they don't even know how to count the million. But then just once you know Hausa man, we know Hausa people. If you tell Hausa man, go key, that word now you go hold and I go they use go key. You go hear them once they carry person, they kidnap person, you go hear them say 100 million. 100 million. Now so million now you go they hear for their mouth. Anything concern that million, they know they'll tell you say no way, they go kill the person. That is how they'll say gaskia. So that is how they behave. So for this peace that we are all in search of to come and stay or to reign, is for the Hausa people to begin getting hot. And Fulani people to begin getting hot. For them to get peace, as we, the citizens, not get peace, they have to bring out that their family. Because you know, say all of them, they call themselves family. Their bad egg, that devil, where they inside their midst. So that make we do the needful. Put those ones for where they belong to. Because our president and government, people will feel say, we fit tell in Nigeria, say person where they kill people all this while, Boko Haram where they kill baby, they kill everything, say they don't repent, come pack them, put for inside army, make them become army. These one are people where be say you don't take oath with Boko Haram or God and all of them. You think say you go come see Boko Haram tomorrow, you go kill Boko Haram, you go kill soldier, kill civilian, kill ordinary person for him to kill Boko Haram. So such a people, that is why we don't need them now. Let everybody understand. Let everybody begin to show the same people where they call leaders. Our hunger, the purpose why we are hungry, why we want these people to come on. The only way they cannot go, they should bring out the bad eggs, the bad people will come inside their midst. The bad Fulani, the bad Hausa man will come inside their midst. So if you can't be saying I don't man, I they wear aja till they cover hair like Fulani, so we go still know them. If they know, make them still bring them out so that the real actions will be taken against that person. For that is the only way peace will reign. For this kind of thing where we say these people must come out is a must. Tell them to the good ones where they. If we want to stay, we want everybody to stay together. But give us the bad eggs. Without that, you go. So that the whole world go know, say, not be say that they chase person. Because as they chase people, come up for your place, you not give them, say, this is the only thing where you can do to let peace reign. This is what you will do. You chase them, come out. Other people will go the other state. The same moment, they'll still go to chase your own. Before you knew it, that war, where we don't want to see again, the war, it go they mature, they come. When it go bust, you go understand, say, war, not be waiting that they pray for. War, not be waiting person want to experience. Okwema is not a thing to ever talk about, nor to hear of. So it does not make sense. So the only best way now for this to be okay, now as I talk and so, now it will be the right way. I take God beg una, make una share this video, make una put them into consideration, work on it. I beg, if Olusegun Obasanjo, we dey look for people who go the advice person, Olusegun Obasanjo, all them Babangida, all them Goodluck Jonathan, they are not supposed to be the right people to advise us, because these people have it on their hands. They did not do nothing. That is why they join the people who create the problems. So the problems where they create, now this one they continue, they come the water. So if you can't wait saying that this such a people, now you can't tell you what to do. What to do as a Yoruba man, you they make mistake. As an Igbo man, you they make mistake. The 2-3 tribes, major tribe where the whole where they know as Nigeria, they go say Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba. Because of say Igbo and Yoruba, una no one make Edo man come rule. Una betray Edo, betray other tribe, Ijaw betray Shekiri, betray every other tribe. Now una go dey give only Hausa. Una no see the whole thing na problem. Wahala, kasala wey una cause now. Una no see how the problem come be. Now it's not a problem. When una dey do all these things, instead of una to think twice, una no think. Now the problem is here now. It's not giving everybody headache. As it be now, see that they go keep person for Igbo that day, today, now be yesterday, this morning. All these things not supposed to be. So if you now need to do it right, focus on all these people will be saying now from them, now the wahala day, let them go and bring the bad eggs out. Without that, as the people in the land not know peace, as our parents not know peace, they will also not know peace. God bless you all as you do the sharing, as you also understand. God bless you all. Thank you, brothers and sisters. Bye-bye for now.